y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a video. It's a little different than what I do on my YouTube, but today I decided that I'm gonna go get a wax. Okay, don't ask me why. It's been a long time coming. Technically this is my first wax, but I'm gonna go get a wax today because I'm not for the shaving no more. I'm not for the shaving. I don't have a lot of sex, so I don't really care. Like, if it's a little hair, my hair doesn't grow that much. But lately I have been just like, you know what, it's gonna be summertime, I gotta do these hauls, I gotta get these swimsuits out. So I don't need to be trying to shave every 2 days or 2 weeks to try to keep it good. So I'm gonna try to get a wax. This is my first time getting a wax. Crazy, right? Crazy. Because like I said, I don't grow hair like that, so I didn't really think to need. But now, but since I've been shaving so much, I need to go get a wax. So I'm scared like shit. I got like a high pain tolerance, so I don't think it'll be too bad. I think it'll be straight. For this is gonna be crazy, so I decided I'm gonna take you guys with me, because I just really am scared. You know, I don't want this to rip off my pussy and I won't be able to walk around with this good 8 pounds that I got. 8 pounds, a good cat, good pussy. 8 pounds of it, you gonna strip it off? But no, seriously, I just can't afford for nobody to fuck up this good 8 pounds I'm walking around with. This shit heavy. Okay, so I am gonna go. I asked my friends where they would recommend me going. They send me some places. I'm gonna go there and see what it's talking about. If I don't like it after this, I'm gonna be 100. I'm a Virgo. If I don't like it after this, one thing I'm gonna say is I'm a Virgo. When I don't like something one time, kind of over with. So yeah, if I can't, you know, if they say come every 4 to 6 weeks, okay, cool, maybe. But if I just can't stand it and I'm not fucking with it, they ain't gonna never see me again, ever. I'll be shaving up. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Just a quick little video. I wanted to get some content out before I get some more content. You know, in between content, I need to get content. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna try to record my reaction. I'm really gonna try. If they don't want to say nothing, I'm gonna just probably use my phone. You know, camera, pulling out this big ass camera is like really obvious. Y'all pray for me. Y'all pray for me. I don't know why I want to do this so bad, what I do, but yeah, make sure you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the fam. We going up this year. We go up because the bitches is messy. Let's see. After all of that surgery, you were still ugly. Wait, that is what gets me. Alright, for the barbs, y'all already know what's up. Let's go. Alright, so as you can tell, it is the next morning. I missed my wax appointment yesterday. Don't ask me why, don't ask me how, but I'm kind of glad I did because I was going to end up going to this one place, just because like I missed my appointment and I fucked around and decided no. They called me back this morning. They said they had an appointment available. My leave out, my edges look trash from yesterday, but we gonna still do this video. So I'm actually going to a place where they do sugaring wax, and which is why I'm glad that it's time for me to go. Yeah, so I'm actually glad they called me back this morning because, you know, being it's my first time getting waxed, I don't think I'm ready for the real pain. So someone suggested me go get sugar waxing, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm trying to record my reaction. If not, I'll just insert the reaction at the end, or pain levels and, you know, experience, whoop de whoop de whoop. But I gotta get out of here because I don't want to be late and I don't want to do my appointment again. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
I mean, the first time's the worst. I always tell people, judge your second time. Second time feels way different than your first time.
Okay.
First time your body's just not used to hair being taken out.
And everyone's pain tolerance is different, so some people it doesn't faze them, and some people first script they're like, oh my god. Is that your daughter out there?
Yeah.
How old is she?
5. I told her I had a doctor's appointment. I wouldn't dare tell her what I'm doing.
Oh girl, yeah. I totally get it. When my kids were 5, I probably would have done the same thing. I sugared this one lady and her son was running around. And he kept trying to open the door.
Oh my
She's
god.
like, Mommy's getting her legs sugar. Except for she was not getting her legs sugar.
Right.
Yeah, I want to see. She's like, no.
Exactly.
We were dying. How you doing so far?
It's okay. It's different.
It's not the most fun appointment.
It's not, but it's different.
But I swear, if you can get through this one, all the other ones are going to get easier and easier.
Okay.
And just remember, no exfoliating for 2 days after this.
Okay.
And no hot water today.
Okay.
Just warm shower. And we try to tell you, no sex, no working out. If you happen to break a rule, just keep some aloe on hand.
Okay.
Because we don't want to get all cute and pretty down there and then you get some irritation. Get you some pressure in a second, but what do you think so far?
It's different. It really is different. I heard that this was supposed to be less painless.
Yeah, because wax adheres to your skin,
Okay.
so it's naturally gonna like kind of take off the top layer of skin.
Right.
Sugar, all it does is wrap around your hair and gets it by the root. So you do end up getting better results with sugar, only because there's it's really hard to break your hair with sugar, but wax is a lot easier.
Okay.
I mean, not to like dissettings to wax, it's just wax.
Right.
You think you can make it through?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, the things you do when you're trying to get content. No, but I need to be a grown lady. Stop being a girl, baby.
How old are you?
26.
Girl, you're still super young. Stop.
Really?
Do you have any other kids or is
Just one.
you can have more?
I want more.
You do?
Yeah. I really do.
How many you want?
At least one more.
Yeah, I would say have 2 or have 4.
Right.
Easier than 3.
Yeah, she wants. Her dad is having her another sibling, but she wants someone in the house.
Oh, she wants you to have one?
She tells everyone, my mom needs to get a husband.
My son was like that. When he was little, he'd be like, my mom needs to go have a baby. And I was like, I'm not having babies right now.
Right.
And then I met my ex-husband and he was
Good job. That was the worst one. Alright, relax, it's all touch up. Even after this Brazilian, you're gonna see how your hair grows back and you're gonna be like, oh, that's crazy.
Does it go back faster or? Okay.
Slower. And like finer.
Right.
Just make sure you're exfoliating when the hair comes back in.
Okay.
Relax this one, like all the way down.
Yeah, I need to just be a consistent.
Yeah, girl, I mean, you can't beat the results. There's some big ones I'm just trying to dig out. You're gonna freaking love it. I'm sorry, the first time we can have to mess with you a little bit more.
No, you're fine.
Maybe your second time you'll be like, damn, it's over already.
Right.
The first time we're just digging out other hair cycles.
And I made sure I put in my close friends. I'm like, hey y'all, where should I go? Because no one want to be. And my friend was like, come here. I'm like, okay. And then I was going to go to this other place, but they don't do sugar. And I was like, I don't want to kick nobody.
Yeah,
I know. Like, and I'm watching YouTube videos. I'm like, let me prepare myself. Like, I'm not going to here uneducated about it. I'm not.
I feel you on that. Remember the first time I did hard wax and I was like,
Yeah, my teacher told us this story how back in the like 90s when this lady did hers, she ripped skin off and she was bleeding. I was like,
wax will do that. I'm gonna look for it just a second.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I got everything. Yeah, girl. I seriously, like, the first time I had them, I like shot up. I was like, you took my vagina off. Like, no, I didn't. I'm like, it was like it.
For real, like.
And some waxers are good.
Right.
And like they won't rip you or anything, but I've heard some horror stories.
Right. I was so scared. That was my thing. Like, my pain tolerance is kind of high, but
Yeah, you're actually.
right. Like, so it's like if I just don't think about it, but it's like the ripping my pussy off.
Yeah,
Jesus.
exactly. Exactly.
Like,
I'd see you like from school, and I'd be like, oh my god. And I have to sit through that, and it took forever.
right.
And I'd be bruised, and it
Right.
was awful. Alright, girl, flip over so you go flat on your belly.
I feel like the front. So.
You gotta love what you do, okay? You really gotta love it.
That's why, yeah, I think our workplaces do that. I know our plants are great.
Right. And
I
that
actually do love what I do.
that makes the experience better because woo.
Yeah, I mean, I worked in places that have been like, eh.
Right. This is a sport.
It's a sport. I know you had a good first time result. It doesn't even look like it's your first time.
Look, I'm just I'm glad for the experience. I'm trying to be outside this summer. So I don't
I'm
have
telling you,
time to be shaving every day, every two
your
weeks.
second time you'll be like, oh yeah, totally different. But there's always like a couple spots that don't feel pretty, but
Okay.
it gets so much better. Plus those roots get weaker,
Right.
and then there's only so many times you can get your hair out by the root before it's like,
Right.
give up.
All right.
So then you're like my clients that come in with like 10 hairs. And they want their Brazilian, and I'm like, where?
Right.
Girl, you did great. I'm gonna do.
Okay, so I'm back. I decided to take a nap after I got my wax. I came home at 8 and took a mini nap. Okay, I'm tired. No, I really was. I had to do a lot today. But I'm just here to give you guys my final thoughts on the wax. Okay. Okay, let's just start from the top. The place I went to was called Sugar Bear Wax or something like that. I'll put the name. Basically they only do sugar wax, which is the reason why I wanted to go there, because I was scared to get a traditional Brazilian wax because the stories are tremendous that I hear about girl getting her pussy snatched off, excuse me. But that's what I be hearing. So I wanted to do something a little bit different because I already have like sensitive skin. Anything makes me break out. Like, I know I don't got nothing on my face, but trust, anything will make me break out. The price was pretty decent. It was $50, you know. That's pretty good for Brazilian wax. Pretty average. She was really nice. I think her name was Jen. It was really quick. It's 20 minutes, probably 20 minutes top. It did hurt. Don't let nobody get on this internet and tell you that it don't hurt. It does hurt. It's just because it was my first time. You know, I was trying to like be a trooper, but them pussy lips hurt. Like the top part hurts, and the lip hurt. Everything else was a piece of cake, but it really did. Would I do it again? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back. Because I really do like the results, and let's just, you know, I don't grow hair fast like that anyway, but let's just see how I look in 4 weeks. If I look pretty decent and I can get a little bit of hair snatched, then I'll go back. She did talk to me. If you've seen the video, we talked the whole time. She had to keep my mind focused off getting my pussy snatched off, so it wasn't that bad, y'all. I was just like, whoa, like I'm not used to nobody pulling on my hair, you know, so that was just different. Other than that, I give her a 10 out of 10. Customer service, price. I'm not in no pain. Like afterwards, I wasn't in no pain. I felt great. I'm just ready to see the hair grow. How it grows back and how it maintains over the next 4 to 6 weeks. I recommend go getting one just for the summertime. Even if you don't wax during the winter, cool. But for summer, I would need to do this because I got some things I want to do and I don't want to have to keep shaving it. With shaving comes a lot of problems, okay? So just keep everything clean. You know what be the problem. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, it was sure waxing. Wasn't traditional Brazilian wax. $50. A little bit of pain if it's your first time. Just keep going, I'm guessing, keep going back and make it a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. But right now, 10 out of 10 for me. At least 9.5 with the pain. The pain was a little, ooh. So y'all really be having me do this shit for the YouTube, for the tube. This is what I be doing for the tube. Snatching off my pussy. Good 8 pounds of it that I carry around with me, you know, every day. I'm snatching it off for you, for y'all. But don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe to the gang. I'm looking crazy right now. I'm gonna go to bed after I finish editing this video. Not doing nothing else. I'm tired. I got work in the morning. Real ghetto over here. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you babies on my next